we have the Upsell product block. You can change the Upsell product from this dropdown if you want to. We also have other settings here. For example, you can offer discounts on these upsells from here. You only need to select the discount percentage, and the discount will apply to the product. Next, we have shipping where I have two options. I will set it as free shipping. Next, we can increase or decrease the image size. You can also enable this option to show other images of this product. Next, we have button settings. Here, I will enable this option and then change the button text to Buy Now. We also have product settings here where you can enable the product reviews and quantity selector. Lastly, we have the layout settings, where we can decide the layout for this page. We can either choose a two-column layout or a single-column layout. The two-column layout only works in desktop mode. And if you go to the mobile view, you'll see that it contains a single-column upsell. There are many other settings available here. You can click on this Guides option, where you'll get some detailed and step-by-step guides on each of these settings. For now, I will save all these settings and then exit this editor by clicking on this Back button. Okay, our post-purchase upsell is now complete. Next, if the customer accepts this upsell, we can show them another upsell. And if they declined the offer, then we can show them a downsell here. First, let's set up the upsell. Simply click on Select Product and then choose the product that you want to show here. I will choose this hand gripper for this upsell. And then you can edit the offer page just like we did for the first upsell. Lastly, we need to add a downsell here. I will click on this Select Product button and then select a different product for this part. And then I will hit the Save and Continue button. Last but not least, we have the option to customize the thank you page. Simply click on this Edit button, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can add different extensions to your page. You can add things like FAQs, testimonials, images, and much more. Personally, I don't like to add these stuffs as I prefer to have a simple thank you page for the customers. So I will simply go back, and then I will enable this option to activate this post-purchase upsell funnel. And then I will hit this Save button to save all these changes. And just like this, we've successfully created our first upsell funnel.